Welcome to your new home. Large brick and vinyl sided ranch home, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Enjoy the remodeled kitchen with newer cabinets, granite counters, glass tile backsplash, stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, glass top stove, built-in microwave, and even a built-in wine rack. 1-car garage with pull-down attic access stairs. Separate utility room with washer, dryer, newer hot water heater and second refrigerator and all convey. Tile flooring in kitchen, utility room and bathrooms, bamboo flooring in bedrooms and wood flooring in living room, formal dining room den and hallway. Wood-burning fireplace in family room. Like new vinyl windows. Large fenced backyard with paver patio, also all on a large corner lot.